飞一个看不到。
其实是不是啊？我告诉你，它也是嘛，按进去之后看到乖乖没有，按进去里面看那个 sauce。
Okay, so let's try this question. Quite a lot of questions. Quite a lot of questions. Okay, you just do until the page 2 you do lah. Right? Because today I was also until page 2. So until page number 2. Page 3 you go back and get API. Then you discuss next week. Go until page 2. One student do 3 questions. One student do 3 questions. This group
This one seems done already done. last week. Got number 4.
Until which one? Okay, again, the this one. Then you have the previous one, right?
Ah,
So that's the new one. Where is it? Tutorial Week. This one, I know, April 18, right?
the
I don't have this one.
12, 18. The one.
This one. Okay, that's the deal. Then until which one? Until where? Okay, this one done already, right? Everyone know more. This one discussed already, yeah?
This one discussed already.
Then this one, no?
Haven't.
Then okay. Then this one, very fast to finish. A and B. A and B, okay? So this one, I guess we can do it. Cái đó mình nghĩ. Chứ cái đó mình nghĩ đâu. Đừng mà, suy nghĩ. Suy nghĩ sao? Then he said, yeah, still got some personality. decided to have a new version of the system. Okay, so we asked the developer to check on the system. Okay, the system got a lot of global variable and also dependency now. So number one, if the software engineer tries to perform engineering, what are the three challenges using incremental approach? So three challenges are complex dependency because there is a lot of global variable. Okay, by using incremental, that is very difficult also for us to separate the module. Okay, to do it incrementally. Regression test. Actually, is a time for incremental job. It is time consuming. However, for this small size, okay, so it may not be cost effective. Understand? Okay, it may not be cost efficient or cost effective to apply incremental for this small size software. Third one. Changes are made into a long span. It could take longer time to significant improvement to reach the goal. The dropout process might impact the business. Yeah, okay. So this one is acceptable. So number two, if the software you want to use the big bang, it will be more cost effective. Okay. So you make all at once. Yes, it's more comprehensive. Yeah. Why it is more effective? Because Big Bang is first one is systems one is very small. Understand? Then when you use big one to read engineer at once, okay. So all the features may be included and can be integrated at once. Okay? So we take shorter time. Understand? Okay, even though there is an error happen because of the size of the system, okay. So it may not lead to a very huge problem to the okay, and also you can see you cannot put this one fast. Don't put this one understand? Okay, please remove this one. Okay. Okay. Now number three one. Three changes that will happen. What are the changes? These are not the changes. The changes is the A1A3, right? Changes is the according to your design, re-specify, recode, redesign, or rethink. That's that. Any three of them. Number 1B is this is legacy software. Okay, it's being used to produce a new software, new functions. The testing team perform various tests on the release. From the test result, most of the functions from the legacy system are working well, but the new functions are not performed as expected. Furthermore, the programmer takes a lot of time to fix and knowledge bugs for the testing. In addition, academic tests also did not provide a satisfactory result. Based on the above scenario, examine and explain which three generic objectives that the re-engineering works are not achieved. This one you need to check back to your generic objective for your result. Okay, so what is the generic objective for your re-engineering? Number 7, and number 6. Generic objective, which is not migrating to new methodology, quality, preparing for functional enhancement. Yeah, in this case, if you want to ask me that, I will prefer this three. Understand? Okay, this general or generic thing. Okay, this one, listen that quality, maintainability, technology, new functionality. Okay, this three, any three of them. Okay, that's it for the chapter 8. Now, I guess we shall proceed to the chapter 9. Why I want to proceed to chapter 9? Because we only have 5 tutorial sessions left. And then I want to take one tutorial session to discuss your paper. So we only have 4 tutorial sessions left. Okay? So we have to do faster. So in this case, I create a new what? New document. This tutorial 9 also got a lot of questions. I have a bunch of questions. And all of them is the past year. So good. I understand you do good. Okay. Very
我的 admin 还在做这个。
最后一次我这个都卖上是
Okay. So pass.
最后一次练
Tutorial 9.
这样子的话，是我们几时在？
SW 3 7 1 share
只是因为你比较早，所以要表现
pass. For this tutorial, I will select the question to answer. Okay, because some of the questions is almost the same.
我是他的，因为他不懂，也要改。
Can you please do the first page? Please do the first page and the third page first. Okay? Please do the first page and the third page. Because the second and the fourth page is very simple one. You can also get the answer yourself. Okay? Please do the first page and the third page. Have you learned how to draw the CPG diagram? Program dependency graph. And then now you try to learn. No, you have to draw now. Please attempt the first page and the third page. This one thing I was doing. Definitely not. Chapter 9 now. Chapter 9. Every semester, sure got question come out. Okay, 4 students, question one. 5 students do page 2. Very fast. 4 students. In your group and Jason group do page 1. And then the rest do page 3. Okay? In your team and Jason team do page 1. Okay, dedicate yourself to some question. For others, do page 3 because page 3 the question is quite long. Okay?
Hả? Sao hả? Page 2 and page 4 do first because if you want to do page 1 and page 3, you know how to do page 2 and page 4 already. Because page 2 and page 4, the question is very simple. Okay? So do page 1 and page 3. Otherwise, if you follow the sequence, I don't think you can finish the tutorial because passage questions so many. This is all the passage questions. With those screenshot and snapshot and these all the past questions. Done. Okay, let's ask the first question. This is the dependency diagram. Now, as I say, during the lecture, so you can see that, okay, now this one is a bit different from yours, because in your notes, lecture notes, the control dependency is dotted line, data dependency is solid line, but here is different. Okay, so therefore, when you draw the image, please indicate the legend first. Understand? Don't care which one is open about. You mention this one is the control dependency, means in this diagram, this one is the control dependency. You understand? So now, explain the usage of program dependency graph. Program dependency graph is detect error. Aid in error detection by highlighting potential sources of error like dead code, uninitialized variable, and data inconsistency. Wow, what do you find this one? Change media.
Also look from the Google so that, I mean the graph is even more complex one and they also get the line.
So actually program dependency graph is added in our program debugging also. Okay. Then understanding the program structure, yes. Okay. So number 2, number 4. Number 2, investigate and explain the node that has the highest impact on other node changes are applied to the node. Which node has the highest impact on other node if the node is applied? If the change is applied. Node 2, if node 2 it changes, which one will be affected? This one and this one only not data dependency. Okay. If node 1 change, this one change, this one change, this one change, right? Isn't it? So answer is the one. Right. Okay, it has the highest impact. Why? Because at least this 2 node is directly depending either data dependency or control dependency on it. And this 2, okay, if this one change, this 2 is affected. If this 2 is affected, indirectly 3, 4, 5, 6 will be affected also indirectly. There is a possibility. Okay. So 1 has the highest impact. Now, class. Not necessarily always one is the highest one. You look at the dependency between them. Okay? And number 3. Which node represents a conditional statement? Which node represents a conditional statement? 1, yes, and 2, yes. Why? Because see, control dependency is a solid line. Control dependency means that the execution of a statement is depending on this statement. So it means that 2 and 3, whether one to execute is depending on one to have the solid arrow here. Okay? And 4 and 6, whether it's going to execute is depending on 2. So therefore, 1 and 2 is the conditional statement. Understand? Now, again, I mentioned again, class. For this legend here, this legend, the symbol is opposite with the node 1. The node 1 control dependency is dotted line. Data dependency is solid line. But here, data dependency is dotted line, control dependency is solid line. Doesn't matter. Understand? When you draw diagram whatever, when you mention the solid line is the control dependency, then in this diagram, you use solid line for control dependency. Understand? Hey, class is not you. Paham tak? Hey, you get my trying to tell you.
Yes.
Okay, you paham? Okay. So now, if the data in node 1 has changed, will the data 3 dependent on 1. Data dependency on 1. If 1 change, 3 change, there is a possibility that 5 is going to change. Understand? Okay? It's okay to put different from the nodes, but here, if you mention control dependency in solid line, then this one here should represent control dependency. Understand? If you put here control dependency is dotted line, means the dotted line is control dependency. Okay? Be careful of how you put the legend. Don't do it wrong. Now, how to never mind. I open to this one or this one is open. Read number 1, right? This one is 8 or 8 goes to the see this one? And this is the this is the answer for one of them. Increase that pass. S1, no dependency. Okay. S2 with num2 also no. If num1 bigger than num2, then S4. S4 has the value of S3 has the value of num1 and num2, right? So means that S3 is data dependency on S1 and data dependency on S2. S3 is data dependency on S1 and data dependency on S2. Okay? But this one is wrong. Why wrong? Because the arrow key is the other way around already. Is that the arrow key? Arrow key S3, the arrow key should point to S1. S3 arrow key should point to S2. Not the other way around. Understand? Sometimes they may have the other way around. Why? Because if you analyze the function dependency, but in this case, the arrow should be S3 to S1, S3 to S2. Okay? Okay? And then S4, big equals to num1. Num1, the data is from where? S1. S4 is data dependent. Data dependency on S1. And here is solid line is control dependency. Okay. We do again. S1, S2, we do again. Erase what I talked about. Because here they say solid line is control dependency. Data dependency is dotted line. S3, do we have control dependency on S1 and S2? No. Why? Because no matter how, when you run the program, S3 definitely is going to be executed. Am I right? Top of top one, is it? Okay. So they don't have any control dependency as this. They only have data dependency. According to the legend here, then you should draw a dotted line control dependency, data dependency. This is kebanyakan when you compare comparison method, you just follow the digit here, okay? Control dependency, is it got data dependency or not? Yes. S3 to S1. S3 to S2 data dependency. Okay? According to the region. Understand? S4, you put here right? Okay. S4 has the data dependency on S1. Do we have any control dependency? Yes. S3 is decided whether S4 is going to execute or not. Okay. S5 you need to put. Why? Because they have a if num smaller than num2. If only else, no need to put. Understand? If only got else only, okay, no need to put. If they have if else if num you need to put. S5. S5. Num1 and num2. Yes, definitely is data dependency on S1 and S2. What's up next is agree. Okay. Now I follow the legend here. Then is it control dependency on which one? Control dependency on S3. Right? Okay. And S6 definitely is control dependency on S5, and S6 is data dependency on S2. Yeah, I have to cross those ones. Okay. S9, else no need to put one. S7 got any data dependency? No. Control dependency on if S5 not execute, S7 is going to execute. Control dependency on S5. Okay. And S8 is here. Big is data dependency on S4, S6, and S7. S4, S7, and S6.
You cannot write that right? You cannot write this right?
Crossing, you have to know what the crossing. Okay, if I draw then maybe the S6 is just a bit, then the S5 here you have to do outside. Okay, try to avoid that. Sometimes you cannot avoid it. But however, if you want to draw it, just provided you draw it easy to understand. You get clear, easy. Don't mix all the line mix together. Try to avoid it. Okay, if really cannot, I guess one line cross is okay, you get here. Okay, because one's the enhancement is only half done, and the customer has patience. If I know how long this was going to take and how much it was going to cost, I wouldn't have approved it. So forget about the whole thing. From the scenario, analyze the impact of implemented changes in software maintenance. What is the impact? Because everything is the re-engineering, okay, but only half done. Then what is the impact of implemented changes? So increase the maintenance cost, okay? Increase the maintenance cost, and then increase the duration of completion, okay? And then increase the complexity of the program. Complexity is not the main point, I understand, okay? If you do not have any point, you can put complexity. If you have other better point, you can put complexity. Better to put complexity. Okay? Increase of customer satisfaction. Understand? Okay? Now this point, increase complexity, do not because we said on the software maintenance slide, isn't it? So you can say that increase difficulties in software maintenance. Do not mention customer satisfaction. Why? Because the other question is asking about impact of software maintenance. Okay? So increase of maintenance difficulties in maintenance. Okay? Number 2, if you are going to perform impact analysis, construct a diagram which this one should not come out. Construct a diagram to show the process. Do you know what is the answer? The diagram, this one. This diagram. This diagram. Chapter 9, this diagram. Answer is this diagram. Okay? Answer is this diagram. C, right? Is C or B? B2, right? B2. Okay, this diagram. So go back and read this diagram. Okay? Because it's already covered in the lecture. So number 3, explain the importance of impact analysis to identify the affected item on a certain change. Understand? Okay? Allow to trace the changes. Understand? Okay, to trace the changes. Definitely they are more than that. So risk mitigation, resource planning also can. Then give one example of an output set. Answer is here already. Anyone. SIS, CIS, AIS, BIS, BIS. Okay? Choose any one of them. Okay? This is the answer. I guess this is it. So, go back. As a homework, do question page 2 and page 4. Okay? So, if you have any question on this one, please ask me that.
Doing a family story, come on, guys.
I can tell you.
Is it the rough section economy?
You just do the past question in this here. So, okay. Okay, questions, I guess we will stop over here. Because there is I guess it's so, 3:30 and where is Jackson also 3:30. How's that? Yvonne and Danielle at 3:30. This day, my office, So if those who are not come and see me for many years already, okay, so you may have a very low mark in this session. You know what? Okay, see you.
Same lah. Same. Same.
你还有去见他？
你有去见？之后你要去拿分数啊？
我见2次了。
我没过一次，还少
哪有？哦，每次都是我来的。我那也算你了。
没上面，看他怎样讲。我没过一次吧，2次吧，比我多一次啊，比我多5分。